If you're not careful, you may end up losing a lot of hair to miracle knots during the takedown process if you're using the knotting method. I decided to avoid this by installing my miracle knots using the crochet method but without the knots, and the results were impressive. The hair is actually very secure. So first I did some medium-sized mini braids. I braided them all the way down and it took me around 2 hours to finish. This is the hair I used from Elfin Hair, and it's their Burmese curly crochet human hair. I used 2 packs, 18-inch. I crocheted the hair slightly above the end of my natural hair and pulled one side through. Then I braided it down together with my natural hair. Once I braided past my natural hair, I borrowed some hair from the extensions to create 3 sections and continued braiding down. I repeated this a few more times and then left it at that. Now it's time to install the rest of the extension. I crocheted the hair into the braid and pulled one side through. Then I reinserted my crochet hook, latched onto both pieces and pulled them through. It's kind of like feeding in the hair instead of using the knotting method. The hair is very secure and I doubt it will just start falling out of nowhere. I'll let you watch this method once again without any distractions so that you can properly understand and replicate it later. This is the hair after installation. For the most part, I used 2 pieces per braid, but I added more pieces at the front. I then applied mousse to define the curls. Miracle knots are definitely worth the hype. I love this hairstyle and can't wait to style it. I also love the fact that I can reuse the hair. I hope you try this method because it will help keep your hair protected. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.